Okay.
Fill in the blanks with the correct interrogative word.
Okay.
Go ahead. Okay, so où habites-tu? Combien ça coûte? Pourquoi tu fais ça? Yeah, that's the good one. Let us just put it over here. Oh, it takes an accent. It's over here. Got it. Oh. Combien? Et pourquoi? Combien ça coûte et pourquoi fais-tu cela? Pourquoi tu fais cela? Do you understand the meaning of them? The
Yep.
words. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you tell me first one, what does it mean? Second one,
Where do you live?
yeah. Second one,
How much it is? Or like how much is it?
it costs, yeah.
Yep. Pourquoi tu fais ça?
Mhm.
Why you do this? Why
Yeah,
you...
good. That's what it means. Okay. So let's go to the next one. We are going to talk about common mistakes. So the one you did,
Yeah.
getting the hyphen in inversions,
Yep.
using SQ when it is unnecessary. So for example, yeah, when you could use inversions and you use SQ, it is not necessary to use it, you know, especially when you are talking to someone and everything. It's more like use inversions most of the time. It's really rare that you're gonna hear someone say est-ce que, okay? And misplacing interrogative words, meaning saying ou instead of que, instead of qui, see?
Yep.
Perfect. So now, sorry, the recap of the lesson. So 3 ways to form questions. So we saw what are the 3 ways, the intonation, the inversion, the using of est-ce que, or the using of the other interrogative words. So we saw using the interrogative words.
Yep.
Yes, no versus open-ended questions. So yes, no, it's going to be with est-ce que, with inversions, and so on. Open-ended questions is going to be with interrogative words. And common mistakes to avoid, which were the use of hyphen that are in inversions. Never forget it. The use of interrogative words, basically.
Yep.
What else did we see in the? Did you take these as
No.
no? Yeah, I prefer if you do before we. Okay. So, and the common mistakes that we were saying was to avoid basically these ones, misplacing interrogative words, using est-ce que in when talking when you don't need to. So yeah, so that's the recap of this part. Additional resources, practice online exercises, which I will be sharing with you after. I want you to start listening to native people asking questions. So that's using YouTube for that. I will try to find some links to it.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the basic for this lesson. Let me go to the part of it where we talk only about interrogative words. So we're talking about qui, que, ou, quand. This is like another lesson, but it's linked to this one. Let's introduce this. In French, as you know, we use interrogative words to ask specific questions. And these words, they help us gather more info beyond the yes and no, which, as we said, we use inversion and est-ce for yes and no. Today we'll dive more in depth into these common interrogative words and how to use them. So can you check if you have this one? I don't think you have the last one.
I'll write that down. 1 second.
Sorry?
I'll write that down. I'll
And
write that one down.
yeah. Please check. So I'm gonna read them and you check if you have them all. Qui, who, que or q with an apostrophe, what? Où, where, quand, when, pourquoi, why, comment, how, combien, how much, how many, lequel, laquelle, which one.
Yep,
So
I have all of them.
okay, it was the last.
Last one, yeah.
Last one that you didn't have. Okay. Using qui. Used to ask about a person. So, qui est ton professeur? Who is your teacher? Who is, sorry. Qui parle français ici? Who speaks French here? So, I'm going to give you some minute to write it down.
Okay.
What it is used for and what are the examples of it.
Okay.
And then we'll start using it first.
Okay.
And the exercise will be very simple, just replacing with key, but I want you to write it down after. Like,
Okay. Done.
Okay, perfect. So the exercise is to complete the following question with key. Do you want to read them to me, please?
Qui est ton meilleur?
Maya?
Qui
Maya.
est ton meilleur ami?
Yeah. Do you understand the meaning of it or not? Who is?
Who is your friend?
Meilleur is best.
Okay, best friend. Okay.
Who is your best friend? Okay.
Qui
Then,
travaille?
avec toi.
Yep. Qui travaille avec toi? Who's traveling?
Travaille.
Qui travaille avec toi?
Yeah. C'est parfait.
Who's traveling with you?
No. Who is working with you?
Okay, travaille. Okay, that's
Right, yeah.
voyager, right? For travel.
To work, yeah. Travel et voyager, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Who works with you?
Okay.
You. Good. Okay, and then the last one.
Qui va?
Sorry.
Qui va au marché?
Yes, which means who is going to the market, the place. Who is going to the marketplace? Marché is marketplace. Or
Okay.
markets, or just the market. Who is going to?
Okay. I thought it means walking, and I know.
Yeah. Yeah, it does mean walking. The verb marcher, je marche.
Yeah.
It's I walk. But yeah, marché means the market.
Okay.
Supermarket or maybe even supermarket over here.
Okay.
Supermarket. Yeah. So if you want to take the meaning of them.
Yeah.
Please do. Let me continue. I'll check the problem after. So basically what we want to do after that is, okay, let me put this. Yeah, so let me just remove all this and que or que, what? Used to ask about things and actions. So examples, que fais-tu? What are you doing? Qu'est-ce que tu veux manger? What do you want to eat? Okay?
Yep.
So take it on your notebook, then we'll move to the exercise on this one.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, so the exercise is this one you'll need to do it on the notebook. Rewrite this statement as questions using que or que.
Okay.
Que lis-tu? That's good. Qu'est-ce qu'il regarde? That's good. The last one, no.
Yeah.
The verb. Where is the verb? Okay.
Oh yeah.
Let me write it down. But it's most of them are good.
Mm-hmm.
Que lis-tu?
Mm-hmm.
And then the second one would be que regarde-t-il or qu'est-ce qu'il regarde? Qu'est-ce qu'il regarde? And the last one would be qu'aime. And you remember the liaison one that we
Yep.
did before? So that would be the one.
Oh, okay.
Or for the third one, we could say, but this is more extensive. Quelle musique aime-t-elle? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to write them down, like fix them a bit.
Yep, I did.
Okay, good. Okay. Let's go to the next part. Using où, where. Used to ask about a place or location. So example, où habites-tu? Where do you live? We already did this one. Où allons-nous maintenant? Where are we going now? So, do you want to take it on your paper, on your notebook?
Yep.
Yeah, please. Good. Okay, so next up. Oh, sorry. That's weird. This one. Please replace.
Okay.
So fill in the blanks with où.
Yeah. Okay. So should I just like speak it or write it down?
Please write it down, then we'll speak it and we'll find the meaning and leave a space for the meaning.
Okay.
Okay, good. So do you want to tell me?
Yep. Où est la boulangerie?
Boulangerie, which means the bakery.
Sorry, what was that? How do we? No. How we do pronounce it?
Boulangerie.
Boulangerie.
No, it's boulangerie, but like
Boulangerie.
yeah, boulangerie. So where is the bakery?
Okay. Où veux-tu aller ce weekend?
Yeah,
Where are you going this weekend?
that's good. Oh my God, you started understanding French.
Little bit, yeah.
That's
Easy
good.
ones. The easy ones.
Yeah. Where are you going this weekend?
Yep.
Weekend. Okay. Où se trouve ton téléphone? Okay.
Où se trouve ton téléphone? Where? I don't know the meaning of trouve.
Find. It means
Where?
find.
Okay.
Found. Where is found? But I would say where is your mobile phone?
Okay. Okay.
Your phone, basically. Your phone, because
Okay.
it would be not mobile.
Okay.
Where is your phone? Mais il se trouve. It's like saying il est and then somewhere.
Okay. Ok.
Par exemple, si je dis le restaurant se trouve à Vancouver, for example, Vancouver.
Yeah.
The restaurant, the meaning would be is in Vancouver.
Okay.
But basically, it is saying that it is found. It's found. And because se trouver is to be somewhere, or
Yep.
because the word trouver is to find. This verb means to find.
Okay.
Yeah. So take the meaning, please.
Yep.
Meaning this plural.
Done.
Okay, good.
Yep.
Oh, let me remove all of this. And let's